Hi, I'm Randy Vance. This is my boat trailer for my Ranger. It's been around since January 2020. That makes it 6 years old. And like everything else in the boating world, it requires maintenance. In this case, it required new bunks, and I was tired of replacing padding, carpeting, things like that. So I found this synthetic lumber to put on in place of the wooden bunks. These are a combination of what's called ultimate bunk boards by the manufacturer and supreme bunk boards. It's a high-density polyethylene timber that's designed to completely perfectly match the wooden timber that you took off your bunks. Now, what you have is this high-density polyethylene. It's soft enough that it won't harm your boat, but it's tough enough that it won't accept or absorb or attach to grit and grime, which will scrape your boat as you slide it on and off the trailer. Now, you're going to use the ultimate bunk boards if you're going to turn them vertical like this, or if you've got spans between your uprights that are less than 4 feet. In this case, they're right at 4 feet, but because these are turned up, it wasn't necessary to use the supreme bunk boards in the bottom. So with any DIY project, you got to make sure you have the right tools. Now, you will need a drill bit. I've used one that's just the exact same size as these bolts. That's about 1/2 inch, and an electric drill. I've also used a ratchet driver to do mine, but you can just as easily do the job with end wrenches, an adjustable wrench, or in this case also use a socket wrench. Now, to make sure that I had the geometry down perfectly, I used a straight edge and a yardstick. I did this measurement before with the old bunks and then again with the new. Now, take a look at the Supreme bunk boards. They have an aluminum extrusion underneath them that gives them extra strength to span these longer distances. They also come with stainless steel hardware, and you can attach them exactly the way your lumber bunks were attached, and that makes replacing them quick and easy. Now, one thing you'll notice is that if you're going from the ultimate bunk boards to the Supreme, when you look down here at the Supreme boards, that extrusion adds about 3/4 of an inch of height. So what you're going to want to do if you're combining the Supreme bunk boards and the ultimate bunk boards is shim up the ultimate bunk boards to keep the geometry of your trailer exactly the same. Now, I've done that right here. I've cut 3/4 inch shims from the ends of these bunk boards to raise them up to accommodate the 3/4 inch raise from the Supreme bunk boards extrusion underneath. What that does is it keeps the geometry of your trailer exactly the same, your boat loads properly, and what we've learned is it loads really easy. I think there's a tremendous advantage to this product over wooden carpet or wooden vinyl, and I also like the way it loads and unloads the boat so easily. It takes a minimum of force to get it on, whether you're powering on with the motor or winching it on with the hand winch. When you get ready to launch, make sure you leave the boat attached to the trailer until it's exactly where you want it to slide off in the water, because it might. I think these are probably going to be the last bunk boards I ever have to put on this trailer, and I'm looking forward to a long life with them and more enjoyable towing. I'm Randy Vance for the Ultimate and Supreme Bunk Boards.